Okay, I'm going to try to explain this one that is very easy, very fast. Here they are asking you what is the total area of the leaves. So here there are many leaves that are 15. And the idea that I want is that you instead of, you can measure this manually or you can do it automatically. In this case, it will be easier. Here there was one difference that here you will have when if you apply here binary, as we have applied before, it will be more challenging because this will detect it as white. So how we solve this problem? Very easy. So again, you can save it as an image or you can go to figure 9. I have it already ready for you. I already downloaded. Let me show it to you. Here it is. So you can try to get to an approximate value and do this and measure each one, or try to go and measure, try to use this line, making lines to try to measure it, but this will take a long time. So I'm going to show you one way that it could be easier. That is what I'm trying to do, that you measure all of them at the same time. So the first thing that you have to do is go, as you did in the lab, go 8. Now you have to type 8 bits. So now you have two colors, or you will have some scales of gray and white. And now what you have to do, go to adjust and you go to adjust the threshold, and here you will have different degrees of red. So now if you go and click here and you go all the way, everything will be red, and here you can start adjusting to 0 or start increasing, and you can start trying to make it as well as possible. uh, for example, here this doesn't exist, but if you go less, you will miss some spots. Is going to be a very small degree, but you can remove these ones later, just saying don't measure the things that are too small, and we're going to do that. So we can just say apply, then you can go again binary, as you did in the lab. One thing that is important, if you want, you can measure the size of this one. So if you see, the minimal value is around 9,000 pixels. Uh, so we can remember that for a second. And one thing here that is important, if I go analyze particle, I remember I will be only measuring this thing. So click here, there is no boxes, and now you can go and analyze particle in the same way that you did it in the lab. There is no scale, and here you measure 9,000. So you can, if this is the lowest measurement, you can do, you are sure that the smallest one of those one, it will be around 9,000. And in that way you can make sure that you can avoid measuring these artifacts that they are actually don't belong to the, or this one that don't belong to your measurements. Then you go okay, and here you have your uh, 15 measurements right away. Here they give you all the areas, and as you need to calculate them all together, there are two ways to do it. One way that ImageJet do it for you, and here they give you the total area of everything, so you don't have to worry about that. They also give you the average size, the perimeter, so you don't have to worry about that. Or the other thing that you want, if you want to do, is just Control C. Here I did previous one, so I can copy these ones, and remember, you just go here and say add all these values from here to here, and this give me around 788516, and this is the value, or one that is very close. Yeah, we this time we got the right value. Here is the same value, so ImageJet do it for you. And this is how you calculate this thing. It will take you a minute, 2 minute maximum. And again, if you have any doubt, in the lab I'm going to have these things available for you, in case that you don't remember all the small steps. And if you have any doubt, just let me know. Have a good day. Bye.